These are the 3D Viewmaster adventures of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3. The turtles are back in time. How do our favorite humorous amphibians learn to travel in time? An antique Japanese scepter April bought for Splinter proves to be a magic time machine. Before you can say Cowabunga, April is transported back to ancient Japan. In her place, a Japanese samurai Prince Kenshin enters the turtles' lair. Splinter realizes that the turtles must go back in time to rescue April. Soon, the bodacious four are swinging nunchucks in a Japanese war that happened 400 years ago. Kenshin's father, an evil warlord, is attacking a rebel village. After Michelangelo and Leonardo save a child from a burning hut, the poor Japanese villagers believe our Big Apple turtles will save them. And the magic scepter, their only ticket home, mysteriously disappears. The turtles know they must find the scepter because they have only a short time to rescue April and get back to modern civilization, where pizza can be ordered in. Can our happy-go-lucky heroes in a half shell make it back to their ninja master before the deadline? Or are they doomed to stay forever in past time? See the outcome in these awesome Viewmaster 3D pictures. They're timeless. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Cowabunga! The turtles are back. Picture 2. The warlord's son has joined the rebels. Picture 3. April blows dust from an old scepter. Picture 4. And Kenshin appears in her place. Picture 5. You must go back in time to get April, my son. Picture 6. The turtles are ready for travel. Picture 7. Samurai appear in their place. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. The turtles go back in time to Japan. Picture 2. April has been imprisoned in a dungeon. Picture 3. Samurai turtles to the rescue. Picture 4. The turtles join the village rebels. Picture 5. Michelangelo saves Josie from a burning hut. Picture 6. Leonardo will perform CPR. Picture 7. Super pizza from a blacksmith's forge. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. I want you to stay, but I know you must go. Picture 2. Mitsu is taken hostage for Kenshin. Picture 3. Leonardo battles the warlord. Picture 4. Who strapped in a bell? Picture 5. Did anyone ring? Picture 6. Come on, Michelangelo, you can do it. Picture 7. Back home. Let's order in. We want to add new videos every day. And if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.